So check this one out.
RPF1.
You know, favorites. Hey guys, I'm Ralph with Tires Wheels Direct. So check this one out. This is an all-time favorite. This is the Enkei RPF1 in the 15x7 forward 100 with a 35 offset. Part number when you shop it on our website is 379-570-4935SP. So SP meaning the silver. So let's check this bad boy out and then comment on the below. Let me know what you guys think. RPF1. One of my all-time favorites. This thing weighs nothing. You can pick it up with a pinky. I think on the website, when you go to Enkei's direct website, it'll tell you the weight of the wheel exact. So I don't have it here, but pretty light. They come in four. This one comes in a 4 and 100. It'll take conical seat lug nuts. So if you have a Honda, if you have any vehicle with 12 by 1.5, 12 by 1.25, it'll work just fine. The lip size on a 15. This is a 15 again, 7 with a 35 offset. You guys can take a look at it from here. You're looking at a little less than 2 inches, maybe 1.75 inches, and it has a little step on the outer edge. Nice spokes, they bowl out. Enkei logos on both ends, and also comes with a Enkei valve stem. So each one of these wheels, they come with its own valve stem, and I think the center bore of this wheel is 73 millimeters. So yeah, 73 millimeters. So we have hub rings if you guys order the wheels from us, and we'll include the lug nuts as well. If you guys need this wheel or any others, feel free to give us a call at Tires Wheels Direct. Thank you. Don't forget, subscribe right below our YouTube channel. We'll be showcasing this wheel and many more that we sell on Tires Wheels Direct.